What are you going to study in this book? One by one, we are going to discuss. Here you can see history, civics, and geography. These are the three parts of this book, and thus the book is divided into three portions: history, civics, and geography. First of all, we are going towards history. What is history? As usual, we can say it is related to past. Here, we are going to define it. The study of past events, particularly in human affairs, is called history. Study of past, whatever going on in past related to human affairs, that is called history. In other words, we can also say the whole series of past events connected with a particular person or thing is called history. The past event which are connected with one or many person or people, that is called history. Here we will discuss about history. Now, how can we get the information about history? For that, it is called sources of history, from where we can get history or information. Some names are here: documents, paintings, ornaments, toys, coin, inscriptions, bhojpatras, metal plates, old buildings, temples, etc. These all are, yes, switch of mic. These all are the sources of history. Now, documents means available in book format or paper format. Paintings, different paintings on wall, caves, or else. Ornaments, old ornaments, which we have in our family, of our family ornaments. Then toys, we can get toys whenever we are. This voice disturbing. Whose mic is on? Arman. Otherwise, I will remove you. Coins, old coins. Perhaps it may be possible some of you have old coins of Queen Elizabeth during the time of British or older than. Then inscriptions. Inscriptions on stones. Suppose here nearby Jaipur in Junagadh city, we have stone of Asoka. Stone inscriptions of Asoka. Then Bhojpatras. Here Bhojpatras and Talpatras. These are two trees. In past or ancient time, the written work was going on the leaves and skin of these trees that are called Bhojpatras as well as Talpatras. Both are different. Then metal plates. We also describe some things or events on metal called metal plates. Then old buildings. Older buildings, we also see different forts, temples of olden days, which also describe the time, place, likes, who built it, how it was constructed, for what it is related, etc. Thus, these all documents, paintings, ornaments, toys, coin, inscriptions, bhojpatras, metal plates, old buildings, temples, these all are considered as the sources of history. Means by we can know about history. Next one is geography. Second portion. The study of the physical features of the earth. Physical feature, what is around us? What can we see? We can see mountain, plateaus, plains, river, ocean, different living beings, etc. These all are physical features of earth. Here we also study about atmosphere, human activities affected by this. Means whatever we can see surrounding us is related to human population, human resource, political, economic activities. These all are included in geography. In short, we can say we study about our earth and what our earth includes. Besides this, we will also study about our earth, continents, different countries, states, seas and oceans, mountains, rivers, islands, deserts, weather, climate, economic activities, etc. Means these all are other topics or points which
Sir, your
we are
voice
going to
is
discuss.
cutting coming.
Cutting coming. Just a minute.
No, sir, it's proper only.
Proper and it may be possible.
My phone is cutting coming.
Okay, no problem. Stop. Everybody can listen. It means it is okay. It may be possible from your side. Means in your device. Yeah. We will study about the different things or names we have just discussed in geography. Then another thing, what we are going to discuss in geography. At the beginning, we will discuss about our state. Means not politically, but what is in Gujarat? Landform, rivers, deserts, river plains, coastal plains, agriculture, industries, etc. The same thing you will study in class 7 related to our country. But here we will study related to our state. Then we will also discuss about industries and agriculture, minerals which are found in Gujarat or available in Gujarat. Next one is civics. It is one of the most important points because whether we study or not, it is related to us. It is related to politics. It is related to our constitution. It is related to our rights and duties of each and every citizen. Therefore, it is an important topic, or we can say it is an important branch of social science. Here, we will study about our rights and duties. Second thing, we will also study about government system. As we know, we have federal system of government. As our country is too large, it is divided as union government, state government, and local government. Union government means central government which ruled over whole country. Second thing, state level government means every state has its own government. Union government looks after the points, topics, issues related to whole country. While state government, it has power about the issues related to state or within the state level. Next one is local level. Yes, you have studied, you also heard the elections of Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, Nagar Palika means municipality, municipal corporation. These all are considered as local self-government. We will also discuss this all about in our this book. Next, bodies of the government. Government has three bodies. We also call it organs. Organs of the government. Legislative, executive, and judicial. Legislative related to assembly and parliament. Executive related to ministers and government officials. And judiciary, it is related to court. Means we will discuss about these three organs, its functions, etc. in this point. Next, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. At central level, we have two houses, upper house as well as lower house. Upper house, it is called Rajya Sabha. Why? Lower house, it is called Lok Sabha. We will discuss about both, how the members are selected, how government is formed, what is ruling party, what is opposition party, functions of ruling party, responsibilities of government, etc. In this, then MLA, MP, CM, Governor, PM, President, and Speaker. MLAs. Who is the MLA of Jodhpur? Anyone know? MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. In our language, we call it Dhara Sabha. It is related to state government. Who is this MLA of Jodhpur?
By Radharia.
Very good. Yes, now stop everyone. Jayesh by Radaria. That is the correct answer. Now MP, Member of Parliament. This member is related to central government. Who is the Member of Parliament of our area? Our area is Porbandar constituency. Okay, I am giving you clue. He is belong to Gondal. His surname is Tharuk. Okay,
Ramesh Tadu.
Ramesh bhai Tharuk. Ramesh no, Ramesh bhai is senior, he is older than us, so we must respect. Okay, Ramesh bhai Tharuk. Then CM, Chief Minister. No. Ramesh bhai Tharuk is MP, Member of Parliament. CM, Chief Minister, who is Chief Minister of Gujarat?
Vijay Rupani.
Very
Vijay Rupani.
Vijay bhai Rupani. Vijay bhai Rupani. Bus. It's okay. Now I think I don't need to ask you. Then Governor of Gujarat is considered as the administrative head of the state. PM, Prime Minister.
Narendra
President.
Modi.
Narendra Modi.
I am not asking. President, who is considered as the head of the country, he is also called the first citizen of the country. Then Speaker is at Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, as well as in State Assembly, also known as Legislative Assembly. Then we will discuss about courts and its level. Taluka Court, which is at Taluka level. District Court, which is at district level. High Court. High Court is the Supreme Court in each state, and every state has High Court. Then after Supreme Court, it is considered as the head of all courts. It look after each and every court. Decision of Supreme Court is the highest, and we can go from lower court to higher court, but Supreme Court's decision is final. Here we will discuss about courts and its level 2. Then we are moving towards our text. I hope everyone has textbook. Before we start, now my question is, any doubt? Any question from your side? Any doubt you can ask?
No.
Sir. Sir, I have a doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Stop everyone. When I say any doubt, only if you have doubt you ask. Otherwise, don't answer me. You don't
Sir.
need to answer. Yes, ask. Yes,
Sir,
Matsar, yes.
is Supreme Court and higher court is both are same or both are different?
Both are different. High Court is in state. Suppose Gujarat has High Court, Maharashtra has High Court, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Every state has one High Court. But Supreme Court is only one. It controls all the courts, all the High Courts, all the district courts, and all the taluka courts of the country. Our Supreme Court is in Delhi. Our High Court of Gujarat, it is on Ahmedabad Gandhinagar Highway. Now any question? If you have question, ask. Don't answer. Okay, we are moving ahead. Now index of our textbook. As we are studying in semester system, here you can see 8 chapter, 1 8. They all are related to history. Means in first term we will not study all. First for before Diwali, next for after Diwali. First one is let's know history. What is history? How we are going to start medieval age? We will discuss in this chapter. Next, learning. Yes,
Sir, but this map books, the first chapter is 9th, the earth or habit.
yeah. Map book is related to geography. History and civics chapters are not included in map book. Okay.
We have to
Here
buy.
only geography is related. Now any question?
No, sir. In the
Again
bookstore we
repeat.
have to buy.
Yeah, bookstore. List is given. Yeah, this book someone is showing. Sakarya Mahek. That is the book. Yes, Patolia Drumel is also showing. Yeah, now don't show. Okay, then if you have doubt, you can ask. What's your
Sir,
question?
that Sakarya Mahek is showing that book we have to buy.
Yeah, it is your textbook, and so that you need to buy.
Okay, sir.
Because
Then,
without
sir, you
textbook,
can send a
how
photo
will
in
it-
classroom.
for what? Textbook.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
because
textbook
in bookstore
photograph. I
only
will.
this.
Yeah, I will add photographs after this period in the class.
Sir,
And before
but
12 o'clock,
it's
you
not
will
given in. Hello, sir.
Yeah, continue.
Sir, you can show map book.
That book right now I don't have. I will show you in next period.
Okay, sir.
Sir. Sir,